Hello, my Facebook buddies, my Facebook friends. I'm Eric Garcia, the dropout that made it. You've probably seen my statuses on and off on the walls and whatnot. Guys, just want to say hello to Facebook, to all my new friends and all my friends that have accepted my request, or those who have requested to be my friends. I just want to say thank you for the privilege to be able to communicate with people with such great positive mentalities. I also have a friend here that wants to say hello. This is my little eagle head buddy. Say hello. He always positive mentality, never complains, so I'm good with him. That was actually given to me by my sponsor, my leader, my mentor that has guided me through and helped me grow personally and whatnot. But guys, Facebook, happy to hear from you guys. God bless you guys. I'll talk to you soon.